My name is Jim Bishop. I'm service with Cemen, and we're going to be talking over the power washer option for our C60. The power washer system is located here, and back here on the back side of the unit we have two hose reels. This will include the washout hose that is standard on the units. Then the power washer system will have the power washer hose itself. And this has a spinning nozzle on the end of this. And you can definitely also wash off your truck itself on the hose and your mixer. What our C60 has is a washout system with a washout hose that will give you 100 psi out of that washout hose. This option will increase your psi to 3,000. So wash out a lot cleaner, a lot better on your washout.